guys, Troy here. This is This I Believe by Hillsong, released by Hillsong years ago. The version we do now is by For All Seasons, which my buddy Dan actually showed me, and as we've played it over and over again at church, this is what it's morphed into, and these are the parts that I came up with. They're more my style, how I like to play, so this is, again, what they've morphed into. So the recording that I'm playing over is actually from one of our Sunday morning gatherings. I just ripped it right off of our YouTube live stream and just played the parts right over it. So I hope if you're looking for a new way to approach this song, maybe breathe new life into an older song, that this would be helpful for you. What's up, babe? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hey, Nora, will you shut the door, babe? So again, if you're looking for a new way to approach this one, or maybe a way to breathe new life into an older song, I hope it's helpful for you. And if you want the parts demonstration and the explanation of tones and the tablature that goes across the screen and stuff, pedal board shot, that's over at guitarforhisglory.com, so you can check that out. Also, I want to make quick mention, the tones that you're hearing are from my new Kemper profiles. So this one's stereo. I have both my Kempers going at one time. 2002 Vox AC30 Korg era, brought to vintage specs by Don Butler. Amazing amp. And then the other part that you're hearing is, the other side of the image that you're hearing, rather, is my Tone King Imperial, which is like a Fender amp. So those two are in stereo. And I will eventually make a dual profile, like a merged profile, basically, of those two amps together for those of you guys who are using one Kemper, so you can kind of get that same feel as well. So why do I like this song so much? Let's talk about the words. Essentially, as a believer, you need to know what you believe, as elementary as that sounds. So if you read Jesus' high priestly prayer in John 17, he says that eternal life is knowing God. So to have eternal life, you have to know God. You have to know what it is you believe. And someone just asked me the question recently, and I appreciate the question. I'm not saying this in a bad way. Asked me the question, why do you focus so much on doctrine on your channel? And like, I think he meant like your social media stuff and all that. And I just say, because it's more important than anything else. It's more important than guitar playing. It's more important than pedals. It's more important than worship even. Because if you don't know who it is you're worshiping and how you should be worshiping, then how can you worship God rightly, right? How can you rejoice in things that you don't even know? So I know it seems elementary, but I like this song because it really communicates, obviously, the creed, right? What it is that Orthodox Christians should believe. So that's why I really enjoy this one a lot. My wife's actually singing in the background too, so I like this version in particular. So anyways, love you guys. It's been a long time since I've made a song video, so it was really cool doing that. Miss talking to you guys in the comments. So shoot me some comments. Let me know how you've been doing through COVID and all that, and let me know if I can pray for you at all too. Okay, so love you. See you in the next one.